How to fix Instagram story music not available. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see I am already on my Instagram, and if you cannot find this page right here or it says no result, you have to keep on watching. So first let's go out of here, and I have three methods for you. First is just going to your Google Play and make sure that your Instagram is fully updated. Then the second one is going again on your Instagram, and then from here, from your profile, you have to click on those three lines from the right top corner, and then go to settings, and then go to account. So from here you have to scroll at the bottom, and here it says switch account type. So click on that. So here I have a business account, and sometimes the music feature is not working for a business account, so you may try to switch to a personal account. And the final method, and I think the best one, it's going to your settings, your phone settings, and then going to your apps. And then from here you want to search for Instagram. You can scroll down and find it, or you can just click on the search bar from the right top corner and search for Instagram. So click on this, and after that you want to scroll down and go to storage. So here you can clear the data and the cache, as you can see here at the bottom, and you can also uninstall the app and then reinstall it again. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and you can also smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.